Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be exploring a new form of extractor called the machine learning extractor, and we'll have some invoices and some receipts as well. We will be using the classification station to bifurcate between the two and extracting all of the data through a machine learning extractor and a form extractor also if it doesn't extract all the data from the ML extractor or the machine learning extractor. So let's get started. Okay, so you must be remembering this workflow. I had this from my invoices video, right? So as always, this the input data has been given by Rakesh Kumar Behra from the channel Automate Rakesh. Thanks for him. Okay, so we have this invoice that we extracted by using the form extractor. Quickly show you guys. So yeah, we use the form extractor here. So now I have used the machine learning extractor. Don't worry, I'll be using it from scratch. So you'll be getting from A to Z, everything you'll be getting. So we extracted the data from form extractor, right? All the data. Now same data we'll be extracting with the help of machine learning extractor. We don't have to use any template or label the documents, nothing. We just need to input some parameters, some endpoints, and we are good to go. And let's see and how efficient is this extractor as compared to form extractor, right? Okay, so let's go. So we have this invoice. As you know, this invoice has a fixed format, but the data is being varied, and we have these two receipts. So you can see that this is not a native PDF, that is a scanned PDF. Okay, and this is not even a PDF, this is a JPG. So I think that someone has took a photo of it and sent us. Okay, so in this we have to extract the bill number, the date, the party name, and the bill amount as well, and we'll try to extract the item line items as well from this, right? These two. Okay, so let's go, and let me quickly delete this so that you guys can learn from the scratch. And one more thing, I have uploaded this taxonomy also over here. In the invoices we have a organization. Inside of this we have a finance department. Inside of this we had invoice, and now I have added the receipts as well. So in this I have already saved the time by defining all the fields called bill number, date, party name, bill amount. Okay, so in this receipt we need to extract all these things, these four things. Okay, first let's extract this and let's see that if this thing is coming good, coming correctly, then we can go with the line items. Otherwise we can always use form extractor to extract the line items from the receipt, from a scanned receipt. This is not a native receipt, right? Yeah, or a native PDF. Okay, so you must be knowing, and if you don't know, I would request you to please go and see my previous videos. I have explained everything from scratch, what is this, what is digitization, everything, right? Okay, so let's change in keyword based classifier I have used, let's do one thing, let's just delete this so that you guys can learn from scratch. So this was what? This was keyword based classifier. This means we have to provide some keywords to the classifier, and behalf of these keywords it will classify whether it's an invoice or it's a receipt. Okay, for the receipt, so let's give a new set of keywords. Let's go and let's see that where is our receipt. Okay, so for that we can use bill number, bill, party name, bill amount. Date will be present in the invoice as well, so there's no use of using date. You can use party name because I think that was a unique keyword actually. Okay, so let's go with the party name also in the keyword, right? Let's go to manage learning, and over here we can use, let's just quickly delete this. Okay, add a new keyword set. let's first use bill. And as you remember guys, I already told that this will automatically be converting into lowercase, right? So it doesn't matter that if you'll be writing in the uppercase or lowercase, it will automatically be converted into lowercase. This is the format of the keyword based classifier, right? Add a new keyword set. So let's go with bill and amount, okay, because it's present over here, bill amount. Let's go with bill number and party name as well. Okay, bill number, no, bill no, because it's written like this over here, right? That's right. And let's go with the party name as well. Party, okay, quickly go with name. So see, I can use this as a different key or a keyword also, but when we have party name as a single, as a whole combination of two words, so it's better to use it as it is. Okay. Bill amount, bill number, party name. I think this all 4 keywords will be sufficient for identifying this thing as a receipt. Okay, so let's save and configure classifier. Okay, it's ticked. Okay, and I have used a present classification station here as well, so that we can scrutinize that whether our this workflow is classifying our this receipt as invoice or receipt. So this is human in the loop. Is my previous video I have showed you. So this is human in the loop, right? We have to validate it, that is this invoice or is this receipt. Okay, let's go. And then I have used a for each. Let's do this for each classified results. Okay, and this data is being fed over here, validated classified results, and I've used an iterator called validate classified results. Okay, and then we have used the data extraction scope. Okay, and in the data extraction scope, we can see that we have only form extractor right now, right? And we can add another extractor called the machine learning extractor. Okay, for that to do, I have already added it over here as a dependency. We can use UiPath document understanding .ml activities in the manage packages all packages section, right? I have already installed it, so you can just quickly write document understanding, or you can do like this ML. Yeah, if you write ML, I think it will be in this your search a bit more quicker. So you have to install this package. Just click over here, install and save. Okay, and if you'll go to your activity now and search machine over here, so you'll be getting a machine learning extractor. Okay, this thing is I'll be explaining it in a different video. For this I have to cover AI center. Okay, so you have to drag and drop this extractor over here. So now we'll be using 2 extractors. Okay, it's asking for an endpoint, ML skill, and an API key. Guys, right? ML skill, for this also I have to be using AI center for you guys to grasp this, that what is this. See, this is nothing. We can create our own ML skill. We can label our own documents. We can in fact extract data from any type of document, right? So this is like a custom machine learning model tailored to your need. So this is ML skill, but this involves the use of AI center as well. AI center was previously known as AI fabric. Now it's AI center. Okay, we can leave this for now. For the endpoint, okay, how you have to find the endpoint? Just don't have to do anything. You have to go to your browser and you have to write you have to write UiPath endpoints. Okay, and the first thing will be document understanding public endpoints. You have to click here. Now you have to be very precise on this. Like, see, this involves a preset, preset labels. This involves a preset label. This endpoint involves a preset labels, number of labels. So if you will be indicating it wrong, it will be not giving you the fields, that what all fields you need to extract from your document, right? So now we have to extract invoices, and this is, as you can see this is an invoice. One second, this is invoice from India, I guess, because everything is written denominated in rupees, not in dollar or something. Okay, and the names are also Indians. Name doesn't matter, the thing is like denomination matters, like dollar, euro, etc, etc. Okay, so what you need to do, as you are in here, you have to go search, find invoices. This is a generalized one. This can extract approx on any invoice, but when it's given invoice India, so we'll be using invoice India only. Just click on this, and you have to copy this endpoint or sort of URL, and go your machine learning extractor, go to endpoint, and you can just if you're pasting like this, so okay, you have to enclose this inside an string. Okay, so this is du.uipath.com IE invoices underscore India, because our invoice is from Indian origin. Okay, save. The error got diminished. Okay, now the main part comes. Click on the configure extractor. Now please listen very carefully. This is the main thing. This is the important step. Okay, configure extractors. Just let's maximize this. See, we have two sorts of documents here, two type of document. Invoices, we know. Receipts, this is the new thing, right? So what we'll do, we'll just quickly, okay, so we have used invoice in our machine learning extractor. So all the invoice data will be transferred to the machine learning extractor, right? So see, at first we had only invoice, so no matter, like you have to click over here only, right? Only one type of document was there. But now we have machine learning extractor as well. Okay, so if you'll click here on the settings wheel, and your endpoint will be there by default, just click on the get capabilities. Okay, you will be presented with some drop downs over here, right? And then we have to see, this is the field, and this field is generated from the endpoint, right? We just need to match this field with this field, and our work is done. Like 99% of our work is done over here, right? Build to. Okay, let's see this invoice. We have to extract this name called build to. Okay, let's see how we can. So we click on the drop down, and we have name, vendor address, billing name, build to. So I think billing name will be this. Let's see that in our result, that what is the output. Date of issue. We don't have due date. Due date is, do we have due date over here? Due date. Okay, date of issue is also there. Okay, let's go with date, because we don't have we don't have due date in our taxonomy, so we can go with date. Okay, invoice number, we have this invoice hyphen number. This is invoice number. Amount due. Okay, amount due. Net amount we can take, or we can take total as well, because as you can see, the total is the same amount. Let's see in our result, like what happens. See, if it will not be extracting this data, because see, this is all being developed by the data scientists, and this is a machine learning model. It has been trained on some invoices taken from the Indian origin, that this is this data you have to extract like this. Now this hasn't seen this data, right? So it's an unseen data for this machine learning model. This is the machine learning model only. It has just been encapsulated inside an endpoint, and it's very easy to use. Just click on the drop down, and you can, this is like out of the box model, right? Okay, like we don't need to label nothing, everything has been developed, and we just need to drag and drop, use the endpoints, get the capabilities, and just it will be working. Okay, amount due we can okay, table, we were done with amount due, right? Okay, table means the line items. Okay, so we need to extract this as well. I hope you understand, guys. This part we need to extract. Table, do we have anything called table over here? Table items. Okay, so as you see in the table, if you'll go here, so we have items. So now if we'll click over here, line items, this fields will come. These are the fields, right? The line item fields will come now as we clicked on the items. Before this we don't have the line items, right? Now we'll be having the line item. So this is the beauty of UiPath. See guys, how intelligent it is. Okay, description, let's go with description. See, this is very accurate. Rate, let's go with unit price. Okay, quantity, we have quantity as well. Line total, we have line total means line, not number, not this, not this will be it. Okay, in machine learning extractor we have labeled our we have like match with the fields, with our taxonomy fields. All this is done. Okay, now let's see in our receipts also, do we have something in our endpoints? If we have, we can try to extract it also. Receipts, right? R, I think I saw receipt. Okay, we have receipts. Let's try. For that we need to save this and use another machine learning extractor over here, because see, one extractor is for invoice, the other extractor will be for the receipts. Let's drag this and okay, get the endpoint. Okay, let's copy this. Receipts, right? Receipts. Okay, cool. So we have receipts over here. Let's copy this URL. If you are entering your URL in this pop-up window, you don't need to use it inside strings. If you are using the URL over here, then you have to encapsulate inside the strings. Okay, so let's go to configure extractors, and let's rename this so that ML we don't get confused, right? Extractor for receipts. Let's try. If it will not be extracting from the receipts, we are always good to go with the form extractor, right? Okay, ML extractor for invoices. Okay, so we have two extractors, two machine learning extractors. So let's configure this as well. ML extractor for receipts. Okay, so we have receipts, bill number. Okay, do we have our capabilities? Yes, so bill number. Okay, let's go with bill number. Let's see receipts. We can go with receipt number, I guess. This is it. Date is there. Party name. Party name can be name, bill amount, and be the amount can be go with total. Okay, I think so. This will be it. Okay, and see, if you'll quickly see, we have this line items over here as well, right? So we can go with line items here as well. Let's extract this, then we can live, I'll show you live, then we can be editing something in the taxonomy or adding the fields, line item fields of receipts in the taxonomy, and then we can extract the table from the receipt as well from the machine learning extractor that we are just using right now. Okay, bill amount will go in total. Okay, let's try to save this. See, now you'll see that nothing has been extracted from the form extractor. Okay, and we can just back check once again. Invoices is being done, and in receipts we are doing in receipts from receipts. Okay, save. Now let's see what happens. Exporting the data, everything looks fine. I hope there shouldn't be any error with this. and I'll quickly show that in the input I have all these files. Okay, well, let's see that what will be the output. Refresh, we don't have any pending pages. Let's go in the debug page. Okay, let's see that whether it's extracting the data or not. So we are using UiPath document OCR over here. Present classification station. Okay, this is an invoice. Save. Okay, I didn't use validation station. Oops, my bad. Because I was using this as a publishing this to Orchestrator, actually exporting the data extraction scope. We can use a present validation extraction results. Okay, document path will be file, document text will be doc text. Okay, document model will be the document object model. See, everything I have covered in my videos, right? So please, I request you to go see the videos, and then if you don't understand, mention with the comment in the video section, right? Taxonomy, automation, extracted result will be the extracted results, and this now will be the validated extracted results. Okay, so what we can do, we can feed this over here for now, right? Validated extracted results, and let's see that what is our output coming. Okay, we don't have anything in output, right? Okay, let's go. So it's a digitized document now, and we are using classification station. This is this invoice. Obviously, just save, and we have to use this as well. What to say? We have to use training classifier scope as well. We will use it. Okay, build to Nagesh Reddy. This is not getting extracted. Okay, we will see something about it. Table. Okay, sharing everything that is being highlighted is being extracted. That is very nice. Awesome. So this thing is not extracted because so let's go with okay, save and close. Okay, so let's go with custom area and Nagesh Reddy over here. Okay, cool. Let's submit it. See, if you will confirm that the extracted value is correct, so your confidence score will be 100. And see, I'll let you know something about confidence score. We'll be making a dedicated video out of it. But see, confidence score is something that this model is telling that I have extracted this percentage of correct data, right? Is this correct or not? You have to validate. If you will validate, so it will automatically be turned to 100%. So this is the meaning of confidence score. It's just a degree of trust, that this model or this extractor is providing you, that I have extracted this percent of right data to you. This, you can say, a degree of trust with this model to yourself, or you can say that this is a type of a validation score, like see 93%, or you can say that this is the correct this is the score that it is provided by the extractor, that it thinks that 93% of the data it extracted was correct. Okay, this was very layman terms, guys, but I hope you guys have understood it. Okay, so this is okay, Nagesh Reddy, and what we can do, we can just provide this. For now, we will be extracting it, don't worry, but we just have to provide it for now. Okay, let's see that whether it's not extracting the build to data from other invoices as well, or this is something in problem with this invoice only. So see, we have this is the use of logging. I have used logs many times, right? Okay, this is invoice classification station. So see, now it's not going to the ML extractor, form extractor, right? Okay, so build to data was not extracted. Everything is getting extracted correctly, not with the build to data. Okay, this is also correct. Okay, well, thing everything is incorrect. So see, you can see the beauty of machine learning, that we didn't need to label anything, right? So it's extracting by itself. We are extracting this data, don't worry guys. Okay, I just need to see that whether we are extracting the correctly invoices or not. Otherwise we have to switch to a different extractor or form extractor. Okay, in every invoice this we are not getting extracted the bill to data. Okay, no worries. This is getting extracted correctly. Okay, same over here as well. See when submit save. So this is the last invoice. After this we'll be switching to receipts. See, it's going here only, no here, right? Okay, sorry, let's do this. We'll be reading about 2-3 times, don't worry guys. And now we have receipt. Okay, let's see that whether it's classifying receipts. Okay, so it classified correctly. So we have 74% of the confidence that this is receipt, right? Okay, now it's going over here as expected. And okay, I think we are good to go with receipts as well. This is okay. Bill number 20954 is right. Date is okay. Now see, this is something I guess machine learning can only do, that it was in this format and it extracted in this. And plus we have already defined that date in taxonomy. So if we need a specific format, we can give over that format in taxonomy manager as well. Party name was not extracted, we will be extracting it. Okay, 34. Okay, and this is bill amount 34. So this is really great guys. Let's see, let's tweak our workflow and let's see about this receipt as well. After that we'll be deleting all the files from the output and we'll be rectifying our workflow, that why it's not extracting. Okay, party name was not extracted and everything was extracted correctly. Okay then. Okay, so now our workflow has been completed. You guys can see, if we refresh it, in the output folder we have different XLSX files, every file for every type of document. Line items we have correctly extracted, but what we didn't extract was the build to name. It's okay, I gave that name over here, that's why it's extracting. Okay, I thought that it extracted in one file and not in the other. See, it's not there. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try to see that why was it not extracting the data. Invoice build to billing name. Okay, so we have billing name over here, billing address, invoice number. Okay, billing name, we have a name here as well. Let's go with name and see what happens. Okay, let's rectify one problem at a time, right? Save. Let's see that what is the issue. Now we have now we have selected name. Okay, previously it was billing name. So see, there can be a difference in fields also. So we don't have anything else, right? This is all the items. Okay, we don't need items now. Previously we were having billing name, now we are having name. Okay, save it and let's use we can remove this classification station, because it's not what to say, it's not we are not having a multiple documents, right? But it's better to have that. It'll just eat a bit of time actually. So let's remove this and let's use Only classified results, and we can use classified result over here, right? Everything looks good. Yep. Let's run this program now. Not debug, run. Let's see what's going on in the output section. Okay, so it got to be okay. It's not trying to extract the data. Okay, we'll have to use some other thing on this. No worries. Let's do confirm. Okay, no worries. So what we can do, we can just use our template, right? We were having a template of invoice and receipts as well. Receipts template I also made. Okay, so what we can do, we can just remove this so that I can see, I can like let you know guys from scratch. And this, you know, right, this we have already made. Let's go here now. See, we have made the template. We don't need to do anything, right? We need to do, and quickly show you guys, we have a series of check marks over here in the check boxes, right? What it's not trying to extract, it's not able to extract the name. Okay, so let's uncheck this. We don't need to extract, don't want to extract the name from ML extractor because it's not correct, not extracting it correctly. So we can extract the name from here, right? Build to, because see, we remember that it was extracting correctly the name build to from form extractor. Nothing to worry about. Now it will be done, right? And we were not able to extract the name, party name was not able to extract, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's extract the name from here. Okay, problem solved. So this is why it's said to have multiple extractors if you're not able to extract one or two single fields. Like we need the fully data to be extracted. All the fields that we are being assigned, we need to extract them. But if one extractor is not able to extract the data, we can use another extractor to extract the data, right? Let's save and let's run our workflow and let's see that what's the output of it now. Refresh it, don't have anything, right? Okay, now I think it will be running fine. Let's see in this. Yep. So now see, this build 2 is being extracted from the form extractor, and the rest of everything is being extracted from the machine learning extractor using the public endpoints, not the AI center, right? Okay. So now it's done. Submit. This was extracting correctly. Okay. Now it's extracting the second PDF over here. Rahul Jignesh is extracted correctly. Okay, everything has been extracted correctly, guys. Everything. Date of issue is this date. It even identified, see, it had two fields, right? Due date and date. So we chose this one, the date. So by date it meant date of issue. By due date it meant due date. Okay. Table. You can go with save and close. Continue. Submit. Rohan Baba. Now it will be extracting it correctly because we have seen in the previous video that form extractor was working for this perfectly. But now all these four fields are extracted from machine learning extractor. Okay. Let's see for the this receipt as well. Joydeep Sahu. Okay. Save and close. Continue and save. Submit. Now the last invoice. Now it's switched to receipt 2, digitizing the document. Okay. Not extracted. Okay. Party name was not extracted. Okay. I remember why. Because we have not initialized any template for, I deleted that template, right? I thought that I had that template, but I deleted. If you don't have a template, how we can expect it to extract, right? Okay, no worries, we can always create a template, guys. Receipt let's give it a native PDF if possible. We don't have any PDF, it's not native even, right? So what we can do, we can give it anything, this image configure. Let's see whether a model is working correctly or not. So it's now digitizing the document. Okay, this is the one page only, right? Yeah. Okay, page 1 matching info. We can go with this. Is, you must be knowing that how we are creating a template. Please, I request you to refer my videos, guys. Okay, bill number. We can go with, okay, we have created it. We can create a whole template, and then let's be using that machine learning to identify. Okay, let's go with the custom area. Bill number will be this. We are gonna not be using the form extractor, but just in case we are defining it. No. Okay, party name will be not like that. Party name and bill amount is 34. Okay, submit. Let's go. Configure extractors. Now what we need, we only need in receipts, and party name will be extracted from form extractor, and everything will be extracted from this machine learning extractor for receipt that we have just used. Save. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's do quicken our workflow. Let's remove all this for now. We can already we can add them, right? What we can do, let's do one thing. Okay, just save them in another path. We can say as extra. Okay, and we can go and save them over here. Open it out of backward. We don't need you now. Okay, so now we only have these two in our panel. Let's run this. Now we are only processing the receipt too, because we just moved everything in the extras folder over here. Okay, we are good to go, guys, because it extracted walk-in cache, because we are using form extractor. So 99.99% it extract correctly only. Everything is being extracted from the ML model, and we are good to go. Submit. Walk-in cache as well. Okay, and you guys can see we have extracted everything. Okay, guys. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's go in the taxonomy manager in the receipt section and define a table here as well, right? Or you can say items, right? We can go with table. Save. And what we were having in our invoice, we were having quantity, MRP, rate, and total. Quantity will be number, and we are having rate will be number as well. Rate is number, right? Rate is number, and MRP, I think everything is number, right? MRP, or we can use a text also to get MRP. Okay, total MRP, we can have a number, total is this, MRP is this, rate is this. I think MRP, rate and total all are equivalent, quantity is different, right? Okay, so let's go to receipts. Let's see whether our ML extractor for receipts is extracting the data correctly or not. Receipt party name extracted from this, bill amount is this, items, okay, let's go with items. Okay, in receipts we have quantity, rate, MRP, total, right? Quantity, okay, sorry, quantity, rate, unit price, MRP, total, line amount, MRP. You can go with line amount as well, I guess. Okay, let's go with this. And has validation errors, why? Okay, line amount, okay, unit price, okay, quantity, one second, quantity, rate, MRP, total. One second, guys, we have to tweak, I guess. One second. MRP, rate, and the total. Okay, because we are not having this thing, right? So one thing or the other we'll have to extract from a different thing. Let's do one thing. Quantity will be this. Okay, rate is MRP, line amount, total, and do one thing, that rate we can extract from form extractor. Okay, unit price, rate we can extract from form extractor. Let's create a template out of it. Reported will be file extractor will be result with the one of price check, discarded, is not supported, extractors is not supported. Okay, receipt items. Let's do one thing. Let's first create this. Let's go with yes. Let's first create this thing. Okay, and one second, we have to create a taxonomy also, right? Out of this, I mean, we have to add a description field also, right? Items, we have to add a description, that what was it, right? So we can go with text, just switch it over here. Okay, let's go to configure extractors and receipts, description as well. Okay, so now we are only left with the rate. Okay, and manage templates, receipts. Now we're editing our pre-made template. Okay, so items we have, everything has been done. Items is just not been done. So let's do it. This table we need to extract. Okay, let's try extract new table. Over here, let's do with this. Okay, okay, total rupees 10. Okay, we have this as well over here. So what we need to extract, only this, right? The rate, right? This also you need to extract, right? Okay, and description will be like this will be one row, other row 2 3 4. Okay, this will be the total, this will be the rate, this is the MRP, and this is the quantity, and everything is described under this only, right? Okay, and what we can do, we can merge these two fields, right? So what we can do, we can go with the description over here, 1 2 3 4, and quantity is left, right? Let's do one thing. Let's stick like this only. Save new table. Okay, and quantity is missing. Okay, no worries, you can always extract quantity from submit from the extractor, from the machine learning extractor, sorry. Okay, let's go and find receipts. Quantity is coming from that, rate is only coming from this, right? Or what we can do, 1 second, let's not extract this, see, because we are not getting a clear value out of it, right? What we need to tweak, we can extract rate, okay, and description we can extract from ML Extractor, okay, quantity we can extract from ML Extractor, and the MRP, right? Okay, so I think MRP we can go, okay, let's try this, see that what is our answer over here. Okay, so guys, we have receipts, and in receipts we have rate is coming from form extractor, and everything is coming from our this ML extractor. Okay, save. This reported result will be the one from the first extractor passing the minimum confidence check. Other results will be discarded. Combining subfields from 2 or more extractor is not supported for the following field result. So it's saying that the reported result will be the one from the first extractor passing the minimum confidence check. मतलब इन दोनों में से जो भी minimum confidence check पास करेगा उसका result वहाँ पे दिखाया जाएगा, बाकी का result discard कर दिया जाएगा. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's debug it. So like this is the what to say, this is the fine tuning of the model, right, of the workflow. So it's in the UiPath document OCR now. I think it has completed it. Now we have the station. Okay, bill number is this, everything is getting extracted, walk-in cash, okay, bill amount, line items, okay. So let's see, table, and line item was extracted correctly, guys, 12 and 10. Okay, save and close, and this is extracted correctly. Submit. Okay, 18925 June 26 correctly, correct, and I think this is extracted correctly because see, we have not used this in the configure extractor, that's why it has not extracted it. Okay, continue and save, submit, continue and save. Okay, so the workflow has been completed. Okay, let's see our output, guys, because see, we were having this output, all these files, right? Only these two were extracted later on, right? Items, rate only, and 20954. Okay, this is getting good. Okay, so we only got rate from our this, what to say, ML model, I guess. We used machine learning extractor, right? 1 second. Okay, so we used form extractor for the rate and we got it correctly. Rest all is being missing, right? Okay, so what we can do, we can try to use this as well. Okay, what we can do, see, this is a what to say, a mitigation. We can do a mitigation out of it. What we can do, 1 second. Yeah, see, you guys have seen that MRP, rate and total are equal, right? MRP, rate and total are equal. So what we can do, we can skip this rate thing. Okay, we can skip this rate column and we can go with, or we can, what we can do, we can skip this MRP and we can go with rate, total and quantity and description. Okay, so I need to delete it. So we are skipping what? We are skipping MRP, right? We are skipping MRP. Okay, just to be clear, guys. So taxonomy manager, organization and receipts, we are skipping MRP. So let's go ahead and delete it. Simple. Okay, so now we have 4 thing. The 4th thing is available in our fields as well. Okay, and configure extractors, receipts. Now we can go with our unit price over here. We don't need this. Let's see now. Let's delete these two because we are not using it. Let's run it. We only deleted because these all were same, right, in this scenario. Let's see, guys. Okay, 68%. It think that 68% coming correctly. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Wow. It extracted correctly. So Maggi 70 grams, milk bikis rupees 10, quantity to 1, 12, 10, 24, 10. Okay, so everything is getting extracted correctly. So save and close, save, submit. Let's hope that in receipt one also it extracts correctly, guys, the data. I think so that it extracted correctly. Let's see. Water Bisleri 1, water delivery charges, quantity 1, rate is 5. Okay. Cool. So submit and continue and save. So guys, we have extracted, let's see in our output, in the receipt only, because we are knowing this invoice will be done, right? Items, now it's complete. As you can see, guys, Maggi 70, everything is extracted from this receipt through the machine learning extractor, not from the form extractor. Only in one place we need to use the form extractor, in this build to name in the invoices section. Okay, so let's see. Only here we need to use the form extractor because it was not extracting correctly. In only that place we need to use the form extractor. Okay, so guys, this was it for the small video on ML extractor and how we can, fine tune our document understanding workflow. If anything, out of the box arises and we don't know that how to, that it's not getting extracted from this our extractors, that is machine learning extractors. Okay, and the guys, in the next lesson will be on the AI center. Okay, I'll be starting from the basics. What is AI center, how to train your model, how to train a pipeline, how to label it, everything I'll be including in the machine learning center, sorry, the AI center, right, my bad, AI center. Okay, so this was it, guys, and this model you can you can have a better understanding of this model, this workflow, this model. In my previous video, we don't know what is this, that how I have created this taxonomy, everything, so you can go see my previous videos and you have a good understanding out of it. So any questions you have, guys, so please feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. Okay, the next video will be on the AI center, guys. Everything I will let you know about the AI center. It's a hot topic in the market right now, so we'll be discovering the AI center in the next topic. Till then, thank you so much for watching and keep supporting, guys. And if you like my content, so please like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.